Running experiments for continuous improvement. As a project manager, I am always looking for ways to improve our process, our product. At the same time, before I decide it's a good idea, I need to evaluate it and judge it, the utility of that particular initiative. Now, what if we do a brainstorming based on our lesson learned or a retrospective meeting, and as a team we conclude this is something we should do? As a project manager, you may set up an experiment for it. You may recommend, okay, why don't we change our approach from here to this and run it for 2 months? Maybe 2 months is good enough to really see what kind of results we can expect. And let's define what kind of a success criteria we should use in order to evaluate, is this experiment is really giving us that value which we are expecting. So we set up the experiment and we run it, and after 2 months probably we understand that what learning we got out of that experiment. If the learnings are great, we like the idea, we may continue with it. If we realize this was not a good idea, we may drop it. This is the approach of experimenting in order to do continuous improvement. In general, it is also recommended not to try too many things, because if you are doing many experiments, you may never know which one is working and which one is not working. If you are in a chaos, then you end up doing too many experiments because you just want to get out of that chaos. But in general, in a stable environment, you want to limit the number of experiments so that you can really observe which one is working and which one is not working.